In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add saved password on Google Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly how to store a login so Chrome can fill it for you automatically the next time you visit that site. Start by opening Google Chrome. Once the browser is up, look to the top right corner for the three vertical dots, which open the main menu. Click those dots to expand your options, then choose Settings. This is where Chrome keeps all of your controls for privacy, security, and autofill. Inside Settings, find and select Autofill and Passwords. This area manages things like payment methods, addresses, and, most importantly for today, your saved passwords. Next, open Google Password Manager. Think of this as your central vault in Chrome for storing and organizing logins. If you're signed into your Google account and sync is on, anything you save here can be available across your devices, which is handy if you switch between a computer and a phone. In Password Manager, look for the Add button. Depending on your version, it might appear as a plus icon or a button labeled Add. Click it to open a form where you can manually add a credential. First, enter the site. Type the domain of the website you want to save, like example.com, without extra pages or paths. Keeping it to the main domain helps Chrome recognize the login on the correct site and avoids mismatches later. Next, enter your username. This could be your email address or a user ID, whichever you normally use to sign in on that site. Make sure it's the exact account you want Chrome to fill in. This is especially useful if you have multiple accounts for the same website. Now, enter your password. Type it carefully or paste it if you have it copied. If you're creating a strong new password elsewhere, this is a good time to store it here so you don't have to remember it. Avoid including any personal or sensitive information in the notes, and only add credentials on devices you trust. When everything looks correct, click Save. Chrome will store the login in your password manager. The next time you go to that website's sign-in page, Chrome should offer to autofill your username and password. If you ever need to edit or remove the entry, return to Google Password Manager, find the site, and adjust it there. That's it. Open Chrome, go to Settings, Autofill and Passwords, Google Password Manager, Add, then enter the site, your username, your password, and save. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.